What up, it's Tom's Gaming Lab here and welcome back to another video. If you haven't watched part 1 of my vlog, I would strongly recommend that you did. There'll be a link in the top right corner now, so go check that out if you haven't already. If you could drop a like on this video, that'd be absolutely incredible. But let's get in with part 2 of the vlog. Okay guys, so if you didn't know what we're doing today, we would be going to a food festival near Musbury, Sick.
In having some kind of fixed plan because it just doesn't work like that. And I was walking down the street and
Okay guys, so we've now finished with the food festival and now we're on our way back to the campsite. Say hello. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe if you're new. That really helps my channel out, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh dear. See you in the next video. Bye.